Divisibility rule for 3. In order to understand the divisibility rule for 3, now let's understand the multiplication facts of 3 times table first. When you do the digit sum of this product, that is 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Digit sum means sum of the digits. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So in 3 times table, the pattern you see here is 369, 369, 369, 369. If you continue again the 3 times table, you will get the pattern again 369, 369, 369 like that. So there is a trick that can be used to find out if a number is in 3 times table. Trick is you need to find out the digit sum of the number, that is add up the digits. If the digit sum is 3 or 6 or 9, then you can say that it's in 3 times table. Now let's verify for a bigger number 243. The digits here are 2, 4, 3. First step is you need to add up the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 equals 9. So if the digit sum is 3 or 6 or 9, then you can say that it's in 3 times table. 243 can be splitted as 3 into 81 is 243. By doing digit sum, we have verified that 243 is in 3 times table. Without doing this, we have checked by digit sum method. This trick you can even apply for a larger number. First step is you need to just add up the digits. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 0 plus 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 plus 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 5 plus 7. So 10 plus 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14 equals 24. Then again you have to do digit sum. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the pattern we observed is 3 or 6 or 9. Then we can say that it's in 3 times table. So we have got number 6, which means the larger number is in 3 times table. In the textbook, you have learned divisibility rule for 3 states that a number is completely divisible by 3. So when I say completely divisible by 3, the remainder should be 0. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, if I say 24, if it is divisible by 3 or not, for checking that, you need to find the sum of the digits. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Once you find the sum of its digit, then again you need to divide that by 3. If this is completely divisible by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 1 times 3, 2 times 3 is 6. So 2, it is completely divisible. So you can say the entire number 24 is divisible by 3. But what we have learned previously is the pattern is 3 or 6 or 9. When you add up the digits, then you can say that it's in 3 times table. So you need to find the digit sum of the number. If it is 3 or 6 or 9, you can conclude that the number will be divisible by 3 without doing this. So generally for divisibility for 3, you will do the digit sum, then again you will divide by 3. If that is divisible by 3, then you will say the entire number is divisible by 3. If not, then you can conclude the number is not divisible by 3. So instead of doing this step, by adding the digits, if it is 3 or 6 or 9, from here itself you can conclude the number is divisible by 3 or not. That's why we have mentioned these steps. Don't do this step for divisibility rule for 3. If the number is provided, just do the digit sum. which means you have to get in a single digit number. The digit sum should be 3 or 6 or 9. Then you can conclude the number is divisible by 3. No need to divide the number again and you have to conclude it. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.